Hello and a warm welcome to Mega Technology, where we explore the fascinating realm of heavy machinery, modern innovations, and the latest technologies. With the new Flex combined-stroke robot Volair, the company offers the optimal solution for shunting operations for moving freight wagons up to 600 tons, as well as in streetcar and metro depots. The 100% electric robot has a clean drive concept with high power, which provides real power and durability. With a powerful efficiency of 96%, 4 individually controlled wheel hub motors with peak torque of up to 4,000 Nm ensure reliable maneuvering processes and optimum power transmission on road and rail. Spring-loaded multi-disc brakes acting on all wheels keep the rail vehicle reliably stationary. In northern Thailand's Lampang province, ITD is deploying ThyssenKrupp's advanced Barracuda rotary excavators at the Mae Mo mine, 372 miles from Bangkok. These excavators can handle up to 18,000 tons of overburden per hour, ensuring continuous and efficient coal mining. The state-of-the-art equipment not only reduces operating costs and harmful emissions, but also eliminates the need for blasting and separate loading operations, making mining safer and more environmentally friendly. ITD thereby raises standards in the mining industry, greatly reducing environmental impact and increasing productivity. The De Bruin Chopper Roller is a simple, heavy-duty machine designed as a single roller or as a tandem with a width of 9.8 feet. In fact, this is the machine we are seeing on our screens right now. This machine has been involved in farmland preparation and land management for many years, as well as some of the largest landscaping jobs around the world. The mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that use such machines, and you can see for yourself how the De Bruin Chopper Roller works. The Panther T14R rotary dump truck offers the highest speed combined with high payload in its class and sets new standards for productivity and mobility. Introducing a patented innovation called directional reset, which essentially allows the operator to reset the upper and lower vehicle alignment, front and back, with the simple push of a button. The Prenoth rotary hauler provides continuous rotation of the top of the machine. With a payload capacity of 29,100 pounds, this carrier has the largest payload of any vehicle of this type in its category. The rotating separation of this vehicle allows the operator to work in tight, sensitive areas where other equipment does not have access. In a matter of seconds, the tree is on the ground, cut so cleanly that you can't even tell if there was a stump. All thanks to professional technology, which makes the cutting process so precise that the ground is left without a single trace. The MG1S combines many of DJI's advanced technologies, including the new A3 flight controller and a system of innovative sensors to ensure reliable and safe flight. The new liquid atomization system is designed to distribute the mixture as accurately as possible. The drone is equipped with 4 nozzles in the front and rear, and it also has 3 spray modes: front, rear, and full. 2 pressure modes are available: intensive and productive. And if you need to monitor how much fluid is left in the tank, you can do so thanks to the new flow and pressure sensors. The CAT 630 hydraulic mining excavator is a favorite of the company's customers, and for good reason, we have to admit. It delivers the highest engine power in its class, as well as the mobility and flexibility needed for a 300-ton machine to deliver the performance expected and reliably required. In fact, the 630 is the only excavator in its class with 2 engines that are Tier 4 final compliant, eliminating the need for diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, and saving time and money in maintenance. Big Float is an innovative and unique pontoon-tracked undercarriage that turns your excavator into an amphibious machine. Some call it a swamp walker or a floating excavator. It's all the same thing. Thanks to the Remu Pontoon undercarriage, your excavator can work in the toughest conditions. In soft ground or shallow water, floating excavators on pontoon chassis are often the most efficient machines. Large floats can also be driven on hard ground, and with additional equipment, they can operate safely in open water. Hydrema's Model 922D tipper is the obvious choice for driving on soft terrain and in areas where the lowest possible ground pressure is required. This 3-axle dump truck is equipped with a unique articulated joint and wide-angle bogies, providing superior traction power and the lowest empty weight and performance weight ratio on the market. These features provide high stability during tipping, even when the tipper is at maximum swing angle. The GU70 chainsaw is the world's most powerful machine for discovering and exploring tunnel caves. Thanks to a sling on the front frame, the track carrying the boom can rotate 360 degrees to make vertical and horizontal cuts in the tunnel surface. One operator is sufficient to operate the machine. This model includes a radio control and jack on the standard tracked undercarriage. This chainsaw can make cuts 125 inches deep in hard stone and marble. The machine can be configured to meet specific customer requirements. Goldhofer is a global manufacturer of heavy and specialized vehicles. Its wide range of products is adapted to the requirements and infrastructure of various regional markets and guarantees complete flexibility for even the most unusual transportation operations. As you can see from the video, the Goldhofer specialists have indeed created a heavy combination with hydrostatic drive for transporting an oversized and extra heavy load of 580 tons. It looked very impressive. The powerful and stable RT125 heavy-duty trencher from Popular Ditch Witch is a true all-terrain machine that clearly deserves your attention. Its solid undercarriage, superior quad-track system, and 3-speed transmission with shiftable gears allows you to tackle any job site challenge. A comfortable operator's workstation with ergonomic swivel seat and control panel with increased legroom allows for increased productivity. With the RT125, there's no stopping you. Canadian company K-Tech has presented a concept of a new model of scraper with dimensions that allow transporting the equipment by road without special permission. And the fact that this scraper is presented in close contact with a 38-ton tractor from Rockback makes this machine incredibly productive and efficient in work. This powerful version of the machine provides better fuel economy, lower emissions, increased safety, and greater durability. And this scraper tractor works even in the toughest conditions. The Husky Emotion electric snowmobile features a modern cabin design, an entirely new look, and zero emissions. It is now in series production. The electric motor develops 245 horsepower and 1,000 nanometers of torque right from the start. Only an electric rat trap can deliver such performance. The maximum operating time is 3 hours. Chemrock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rocks. Chemrock also supplies its customers with dual hydraulic motor disc cutters for rock up to 120 megapascal and reinforced concrete. Thanks to the 2 high-torque motors, high-performance figures are achieved. Interestingly, the DMW series is also capable of working underwater at depths of up to 30 meters, making this equipment ideal for trenching and underwater work. The Sikorsky S-64 Sky Crane by Erickson Air Crane was originally developed for the U.S. Army, as was a civilian version. But later, the purpose of this aircraft was revised, and it began to be prepared mainly for firefighting. The S-64 is equipped with a tank with a capacity of 10,000 liters for the transportation and dumping of fire retardant. It proved to be very successful and is used literally all over the world to prevent seasonal climatic fire risks. The aircraft has a reinforced airframe and increased propeller blade area, which increases the external payload from 20,000 to 25,000 pounds. You see a modern harvester for harvesting walnuts, hazelnuts, chestnuts, and apples, X16. Despite the small size of this model, it combines all the advantages of harvesting equipment at an affordable price. Equipped with the largest generation engine, the X16 is highly productive in harvesting. And thanks to the multiple cleaning stages performed during the process, the fruit enters the hopper already clean. Clean railway tracks in winter are the key to a functioning infrastructure. This is undoubtedly what Bella Hack believes, which is why they created their HB 1100S, which is capable of handling up to 10,000 tons of snow per hour. This powerful new high-performance rotary snowplow allows you to quickly plow your way through large volumes of snow. The wide field of application is ensured by high transportation speeds. Even in the most difficult conditions, the track can be cleared in a single pass, quickly restoring traffic. Wagner offers the industry's most productive and economical log stacker, the L490. This machine is one of the safest and most productive log loaders on the market, with the same reliability for which the Wagner brand is well known. The new model is equipped with much faster hydraulics. It lifts the load twice as fast as all its predecessors. This machine includes double ladders for safe exit and ground-level service bays for easy and safe maintenance. Not so long ago, it was unique. The RU800S Swiatkowski revolutionized track construction. Thanks to the large machine, the two complex processes of track reconstruction and ballast layer cleaning could be combined in a single track barrier. You must agree that this greatly simplifies the process and saves working time. With the RUS 1000S, the successful concept of the Placer and Thur Swiatkowski system is now being further developed. In the video, this impressive machine and its technical features are presented to you, so you can see for yourself. The vehicle on your screens is specially designed to optimize farmers' working time. Even more, with such a large cutter combined with a loading channel, this machine is revolutionizing vertical self-propelled mixers. And what can I say? This machine is ideal for companies with numerous animals and high productivity. Guided by the Prenoth Clean Motion philosophy, they have revolutionized snow removal technology. Their electric Husky E-Motion and Lightwolf H2 Motion hydrogen-powered models, both with fuel cells and internal combustion engines, take environmentally friendly snow removal to a new level. The Lightwolf H2 Motion, for example, is a concept vehicle that combines performance and environmental friendliness. The hydrogen snowplow was developed with two different powertrains, a fuel cell, and an internal combustion engine. The hydrogen is stored in tanks mounted on the rear of the machines, allowing up to 4 hours of operation. With its modern cabin design and all the best features of this flagship rat track, the path to eco-friendly winter sports is being paved. Self-propelled mobile concrete mixing plant with a 4,850 liters drum equipped with modern 4 sensors electronic scales, easy to handle and high precision system for the production of the required mix. All this is about the new CarMix 3500 TC. This machine is equipped with a new comfortable cabin, which can guarantee safe operation and increase visibility for the operator. In addition, the 3500 TC is equipped with ProMix technology, which allows analyzing the composition of the mix, slump, volume, temperature, humidity, and an indication of the readiness of the mix itself. The CAT AD63 underground dump truck offers high productivity, reduced costs, and increased efficiency. With a rugged design, the hauler can withstand the rigors of the job site. It has an increased payload of 5% and increased engine torque. This machine is equipped with a C27 engine that meets all stage VEC emission standards, which reduces emissions and ventilation costs. Robust construction and simplified maintenance ensure longer life and lower operating expenses to maximize your return on investment. You see the Zoom Lion ZR360L rotary drilling rig, which has a maximum drilling diameter of 8.2 feet and a maximum depth of 328 feet. The main rear winch of the machine with a single coiled wire rope reel with a dual gear mechanism greatly increases the service life of the steel wire rope. The high efficiency of the design is ensured by a high flow main pump, a multi-stage rotor drive, and a 2-speed feed cylinder. A more stable design and higher load-carrying capacity are achieved by improved mass section. Double booms with parallel lowering mechanism, large slewing platform, and reinforced chassis. In nature, the element Titan means strength, reliability, and durability. These characteristics have been and remain key features in the development of Argus heavy-duty twin-shaft shredders. To guarantee the best results in a wide range of applications, the mobile shredders are equipped with a guide system as standard and are available in 2 different versions. Argus Titan VZ950E shredders feature a revolutionary quick-change shaft system, innovative SCU control, and a shaft designed to meet the most demanding requirements. Numerous applications for this shredder can be found in construction and demolition, shredding mixed scrap metal, car bodies, tire, household, and commercial waste recycling, as well as composting and wood processing facilities. Let's talk about the new self-propelled telescopic elevator Zoom Lion model ZT68J. You've got to admit, it looks pretty good, right? Its maximum working height is 221 feet. This model and its technical capabilities surpasses even the performance of the previous record holder, Snorkel 2100. Special mention should be made of the new outrigger extension system. Its leading elements are hydraulic cylinders located inside the boom. When the system is started, 3 attachment points effectively extend and retract the outriggers. The polygonal boom has superseded the traditional rectangular version, which is also a technical innovation. The main boom of the elevator consists of 4 sections and transitions into a long 2-section articulated boom with an operating range of 125 degrees. The compact and maneuverable D6 Carmix 4x4 tipper has the same proven chassis as the Carmix self-loading concrete mixers. The tipper is capable of carrying weights of up to 10 tons. The bucket mounted on the dump truck holds 1,585 gallons of material. This model is specially designed for off-road operation and guarantees maximum operator safety. The dump trucks facilitate the transportation of very heavy materials such as concrete mix. They are equipped with a unique hydrostatic transmission that provides more power. They also have reinforced axles, which are essential for fast and efficient operation. Raptor Rover is revolutionizing the deployment, changeover, and retrieval of the Roadquake 2F TPRS system. With Raptor, Roadquake is now ideal for use in most short-term, short-haul, and mobile operations. Workers operate the Raptor from the comfort of their vehicle and no longer deploy and retrieve the Roadquake 2F TPRS manually. The risk of surface injuries that can be caused by lifting objects such as the Roadquake is also reduced. The unit on wheels expands the practical use of the Roadquake 2F TPRS in work zones and can provide portable, reliable protection for workers. The Raptor is attached to the front of the vehicle. The rear of the vehicle is free for other protective equipment, such as a truck or trailer mounted attenuator, TMA. Bucket Mouth TSG 1000 Stump Grinder is up to any task. The company has been involved in site preparation and land conservation for over a decade, and its machinery has been involved in some of the largest land conversions in the world. The new tracked machine is ideal for plantations affected by forest fires or drought. With it, you can mulch standing trees, leaving behind a finish that can be planted immediately. The Bucket Mouth LSG 900 Stump Grinder, rugged, reliable, and efficient. The system returns all nutrients back to the soil when land is converted, removing all stumps ready for planting. Have you ever wondered what technology is behind fast and efficient ditching in peatlands? Get to know the OJK Auger Ditcher, designed especially for this task. Thanks to their powerful auger, they can easily handle trees, roots, and stumps, allowing you to work even on frozen ground. Interestingly, only one pass is enough to create a ditch. In addition, thanks to the clever design, The peat is thrown away over a distance, ensuring an even distribution over the entire length of the ditch. The hydraulic backplates prevent the material from flowing back into the ditch, which is especially important when cleaning old ditches. Take a look at the incredible 4130B. This powerful machine has a 10-foot wide hopper and 3 yards of material capacity. The 4130B ensures that you can tackle any project with ease. The technique offers hydraulic grade and slope adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune the machine to your specifications. And with a convenient line-of-sight control station, you'll be in complete control of the operation, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Folding fenders and a breakaway feature make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, while all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering provide optimal control and traction on any terrain. The TFC 400 cutting heads are designed for excavators with a capacity of 6 to 10 tons and 9 to 12 tons respectively. Cymex has created a powerful machine with a cutting force of 18.5 kilonewtons, which is an attachment for digging small trenches for utility lines, detailed profiling of concrete surfaces, and effective removal of tree trunks in agriculture and forestry work. Their relatively small size, combined with the use of ultra-high reach excavators, provides the user with a highly productive attachment even when working in confined spaces, such as demolishing small foundations. The C815S wheeled dump truck proves that efficient operation, cross-country mobility, travel comfort, and safety are perfectly matched. The machine handles all of its daily tasks with confidence. Bergman provides the operator with optimum conditions for concentrated work. The optional rotating operator's stand provides a better view both forward and backward, and the interior of the air-conditioned driver's cab inspires with high-quality equipment. The Schwingstetter concrete pump model S38SX Raptor is a true master of efficiency. Its economical engine with a speed of just over 1,000 RPM, even with high pumping power, and the legendary robustness of the low-wear rock concrete valve result in unrivaled low operating and maintenance expenses. The innovative Raptor boom combines exceptionally large boom opening angles with an easy-to-use roller folding mechanism, and thus offers unique mobility during use. The Prinoth Raptor 100 self-propelled mulcher with remote control is a very highly efficient machine. Together with the hydraulic mulcher cutter, M450H, it is suitable for various applications. It can effectively crush small thickets and branches in hard-to-reach areas or difficult terrain. The mulcher does an impressive job in forestry, clearing parks and public gardens, cleaning on roadsides and steep slopes at an angle of up to 45 degrees. Just take a look at this fully automatic BMM 410 brick-making machine from SNPC Machines. An ideal brick-making machine with various features and best price compared to other equipment. This fully automatic mobile machine produces bricks and moves on wheels like a car. Such machinery produces brick more than 3 times faster as compared to manual production. The machine produces top-quality bricks with low water consumption, so it is considered eco-friendly. The best mobile brick-making machines like BMM 160, BMM 410, BMM 310, which produce bricks according to their capacity, are also featured in the video. The TurboSaw RS Model 3400 is a true warrior in the world of commercial land management, offering professionals unparalleled versatility and power. With its unique dual-axis boom that not only twists on its axis but also bends to create a 5-foot arc and rotates 90 degrees from horizontal to vertical, you have control at a level of surgical precision. Forget hard work and dangerous handling. With the TurboSaw RS, you can fearlessly attack trees near the ground, carefully prune branches, or split crowns apart right from the cab of your mini-loader. Because with the multifunctional cutting disc, even the toughest stumps can be cut down without a trace. Car transportation in a covered car carrier is an incredibly reliable method of transportation that stands out from other options. This kind of car shipping eliminates the risk of mechanical damage to the paintwork and windows, as well as the development of corrosion, which is not always possible to avoid in the process of transportation by sea or other alternative methods. So if you want to protect your vehicle, now you know exactly where to turn. Now, take a look at the salt spreading machine during heavy ice and frost. Its mid-mount spreader, NA132, is located between the SSV axles. This spreader extends for easy loading and even has a bag opener for quick bucket filling without additional tools. The stainless steel hopper prevents premature failure due to rust and corrosion. The innovative mixing system prevents material bridging and eliminates the need for a traditional noisy vibrating motor. With this drip spreader, operators can spread 40-inch diameter salt at 10 times the speed that can be used with handheld equipment. The precision of the system keeps material within sidewalks, ensuring no damage to surrounding lawns or landscaping. One thing I can say is that watching red-hot metal take unusual shapes in just a few seconds is incredible. Such a moment makes your eyes burst with wonder. In a world where every piece of land holds undiscovered treasures, the eccentric XR22 comes into play as a master destroyer, overturning conventional notions of power and efficiency. Born from the bowels of innovation, this hydraulic ripper carries the banner of revolution, offering a new approach to working the ground. Thanks to its patented impact technology through energy storage, it turns the roughest rocks into dust, opening the way for quarries, tunnels, and new construction. The first BRE tire trailer design allows Centurion to transport the most oversized dump truck tires vertically, thereby reducing excessive width. The road train can hold 8 tires in a single trip, and the shelves of each trailer has been configured by ridging, rolling, and pressing, which he says conforms to the shape of the tires. Centurion says the triple drivetrain configuration not only improves safety, efficiency, and productivity, but also reduces the number of drivers and trailers needed for each trip. The Ventrac RV602 has a waste bin that hydraulically lifts to 150 centimeters, making it easy to place collected materials in a dump trailer, pickup truck, or on top of a compost pile. The quick-release vacuum hose makes it easy to clean flower beds, hedges, steps, and other hard-to-reach areas. Look how easily and quickly the machine you see prepares the conifer tree for transportation. So, you don't have to worry about the tree getting hurt in transit after digging it up. This is a perfect example of how the right equipment makes complex tasks simple. You see the Volvo EW160B with Tiltotrator and EngCon sweeper. This detachable EngCon sweeper makes your excavator even more versatile. You can rest assured. It can be converted with a single handle and can also be adapted and used as a wide-sweeping bucket in combination with a planing bucket. You can also adapt the sweeper as a narrow cable brush. The sweeper is very versatile. Its width can be adjusted to suit the job at hand, from cable sweeping to sweeping large areas. This reduces the need for manual labor and makes the workplace safer. Python Pothole Patchers is a completely new approach to pothole repair and road maintenance. It allows you to fix potholes while they are still small and extend the life of your roads. The Python 5000 Plus performs long-lasting repairs using standard asphalt mixes, both hot and cold, and also has the unique ability to perform continuous repair of long cracks and joints in the road. One person, the operator, can keep the roads in a small village or municipality in good condition all year round. Wow! Watch as this device spins and instantly wraps pipes into a package. It's a real-time and energy saver with anyone who has ever tried to pack a pipe themselves. Dreaming of a helper that can do the dishes better than anyone else? Here it is! A washing machine that will make you forget about boring cleaning. Ideal not only for the home, but also a real lifesaver for cafes and restaurants. This is what the Flygo weed brush looks like in action. The The hydraulically driven weed brush will remove almost all types of weeds on your property easily, without the use of chemicals and in an environmentally friendly way. The unit can be adjusted in both directions from 30 to 90 degrees. The unit comes standard with a dirt trap, so foreign objects now cannot be irrevocably removed from the path of the machinery. The weed brush requires a capacity of about 25 liters and one double-acting connection. You see the Flat Cat equipment trailer, a new trailer for various equipment. Belmont Trailers believes this model allows trailer owners to move more easily, quickly, and safely load and transport equipment that can be a problem today. This includes equipment that has poor or no traction, low ground clearance, and equipment that has difficulty climbing ramps or elevated decks. The Flat Cat trailer's unique hinged platform design makes it easy to load and transport all types of equipment, including man elevators, scissor elevators, roller compactors, and even pallet jacks. Additionally, the Flat Cat is ideal for transporting low-profile vehicles such as classic and vintage cars. The Vuomet snowplow blade is a true all-purpose snow-clearing device. This multifunctional device works both as a snowdrift cutter and as a side blade that increases the working width. The large swivel sector of the snow wall blade developed by the company, 213 degrees, makes a variety of uses possible. The wing housing has a large wear base that supports the wing and increases precision. Collision protection is provided by a safety valve, pressure accumulator, and shear bolt. It turns out that a circular saw can be a great tool for creating perfectly shaped wooden blocks. You just want to take a few of them and make something useful for your home out of them.
People's yards that forklifts can't do that.
We have witnessed human genius give birth to a technical marvel that has already become a star at the Innovation Fair. Its design beckons the eye and impresses the imagination, making us wonder if its functionality will surpass its appearance. The machine functions like clockwork, where every part and every process is set with remarkable precision and synchronization. There is no room for chance at all. All elements of the system work together smoothly and efficiently. The SureStrike SS150 is the most popular and dynamic hammer in the SS series product line, producing a staggering 50,000 pounds of impact force in a single blow. Built for heavy-duty applications, this unit is one of the most versatile attachments you'll find in this class of excavator lineup. Utilizing an incredible 8+-inch diameter impact pin gives you the confidence to tackle the toughest projects while providing one of the longest life expectancies of any hydraulic breaker in its class. You see, the craftsmen are hard at work, but their most reliable allies in this endeavor are powerful industrial machines. Technological giants easily take on the challenge, helping craftsmen to achieve impressive results. This giant destroyer, the embodiment of power and inexorability, like a creature from ancient legends, is ready to crush everything in its path. With every movement of its iron jaws, hopes for salvation disappear, turning vehicles into a pile of wreckage. With this amazing mechanical marvel, the job of cutting wood becomes easier than a walk. A person only needs to add new logs and monitor the process, staying pretty much out of the hard labor. The Safe Aero 220 can be controlled, maneuvered, and sprayed from the cab, making it the only single-operator de-icer in the ground support industry. Wireless data transmission and remote diagnostics allow real-time status monitoring and quick changes to improve performance. The Safe Aero 220 also features a powerful ground gun with a 32-foot hose reel for accurate and efficient ice removal processes. Experience a new level of comfort with the Safe Aero 220, the de-icing solution for any operation. This type of sweeper from Verizon is the leading machine in the runway sweeper product group. The RS400 is designed for maximum power and performance. It offers impressive functionality, high reliability, and minimal operating expenses. RS400s can be found at many of the world's major airports. They set the standard when it comes to optimizing snow removal fleets in terms of number of machines and cleaning efficiency. Hiab reinvents hook lifting efficiency and safety with innovative and industry-leading digital technology. HiVision. Have you heard anything about it yet? The combination of the external cameras and sensors with in-cab surveillance and control technology provides uncompromising safety and productivity on any job. Obstacle detection software is an added safety feature that minimizes the risk of injury to people or damage to equipment. A special machine with tongs does the impossible, converting an entire bus into scrap metal in a matter of minutes. Efficiently and effortless, it reduces the volume of bulky waste, preparing it for recycling. The rotating elements of the machine create parts, working with them like sculptures. And the main thing in this whole process is not to oversleep, and in time to exchange the finished product for a still raw piece of metal. Meet the machine that literally breaks the laws of physics with its power and versatility. Reverse through muddy areas and carry massive loads that seem too heavy for others with incredible ease. This machine is a true master of its craft, capable of handling any task with ease. When some company specializes in various types of land, road, and hydraulic engineering works, as well as soil surveys and foundation pile testing, you have to come up with new variants of technical helpers. Apparently, this is why Brochus has created its 3-pile 5 with swing axles, which has a load capacity of 95 tons. The load-bearing capacity of these piles is tested with just such an impressive machine, specially designed and built for this purpose. So no complex operations will now be a hindrance for the company in carrying out the work. The RanchWorks Tandem Drum Aerator is designed from the ground up for pasture aeration and land management. Using RanchTech blades, thick-walled steel construction, and a triangular tongue, its capabilities range from maximum subsoil breaking power to brush clearing and land management. With different roller offsets, the tandem can go from no-till to tillage as needed. Meet a revolutionary invention in the field of stone processing. A device that can be characterized as the pinnacle of engineering, a recycler for the most resistant minerals. This virtuoso of engineering transforms unyielding blocks of stone into a perfect aggregate for construction activities, setting new standards of quality and efficiency in the construction industry. Under the guidance of a team of master craftsmen, a hand roller transforms a path into a masterpiece, forming a flawless walkway with a neat curve. Combined efforts and precision in every movement creates the true art of asphalting. Watching the process in which machines transform ordinary metal into a complex and precisely manufactured part is a truly fascinating experience. It's more than just manufacturing. It's the magic of technical creativity, where every second of transformation feels like a small miracle of engineering. With the arrival of the Construction 3D printer, the tasks for the rest of the workforce have become much easier. Notice the precision and perfect lines it generates. The results are truly impressive. Have you ever noticed how efficient and fast the bale wrapping machine works? It's a real eye-catcher. In just a couple of minutes, it creates perfectly wrapped products ready for the next stage of their journey. Mastery and speed in every movement. Mega-bottom dump trailers are designed to handle higher density and higher abrasion materials. MBDs are designed to meet OEM tire and tractor axle load limitations, as well as applicable ROPS, emergency steering, and braking performance criteria. The specific design maximizes the use of OEM components in the development of trailer, suspension, wheel, and brake system components. Imagine how instantly slicing food magically frees up tons of time for you. Now, add in a specialized machine that takes all the hard work, and there you have it, the pure pleasures of a process that not only saves time, but also makes cooking preparation a real fun. When a packaging machine takes over, a miracle of transformation takes place. From an ordinary pile of product, it creates perfect, ready-to-sell units. It's not just packaging, it's art made with incredible precision and care. Who would have thought that the process of creating road markings could be something to marvel at? But when you see how this machine draws each line with ease and precision, it becomes something of a hypnotic show, where technique and precision are closely intertwined. Who says installing manholes has to be a chore? With the right set of equipment, the process promises to be not only productive, but also entertaining. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.